how to play unblocked games on school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to play unblocked games on school Chromebook. So for that you need to open this website. I will provide the link of this particular website in the description box, so you can just simply click on it and redirect it to this website. This is called home.maths.break.com, and here you can simply claim your daily rewards after logging into your account, and you can use apps here and start playing right now. So as you can see that there are so many featured games available like these are, and you can also use application like Discord, Google, TikTok, YouTube and Snapchat, etc. And there are also flash games and 10 more games. So it's very easy to use this particular website, and that's how you will be able to play unblocked games in your school Chromebook. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.